Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open browser on your iPad or iPhone and just go to roblox.com. Once you are here, just tap on menu button over here and just go tap on Avatar. Now to open Avatar editor on mobile or iPad, just tap on this double A and request desktop website. Now once you're here, just tap on head and body and tap on here. And as you can see, I have occuped all the hairs. So how did I do that? Let me unselect all of three of them, and if I'm trying to select again, you can see it doesn't work. So how did I do that? So you just need to hold a new here, copy the link address and just open a new tab from here and paste your link and just copy the asset ID from here. Open up Avatar editor and just tap on this advanced link over here. Just paste your new here and tap on save again, and your both here will be selected. So if you want to select more here, you have to repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.